That's all I got. Well, down by the marina, and look at this, man. It was like this the last time it flooded in Nashville several years ago. See, that's a driveway, and it goes all the way down over there to another dock. And we got the windows up, so you have to forgive that, but sorry, Mom. But yeah, there you go. You can see, you can hear the cicadas too. But yeah, wow, somebody's just drying this stuff out. You can't even go around up here because of the parking lot is just, you know.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, and that's the ramp all the way over there, so you can't even go over there. Hopefully nobody's behind me. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'll go over here to the other marina. People that work here or whatever. Yeah, look at that. It's all way down there. I guess all the docks are alright, or all the boat ramps are. The boat lifts, you know. But it don't matter. Anyway, yeah, pretty bad. Yeah, that's right over there is the bridge to the Well, anyway, there's that. Maybe we'll take us a drive somewhere else and go see what it looks like. But not good. Not good at all. And we'll go over the bridge up here. Get a shot of that. See what that's like. That's just straight up redneck. Chuck said the other day, he's like, you know, I'm a redneck and I know it. And I said, well, yeah, you're a son of a coon hunter.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, you didn't have a choice, buddy. All right, let's see what it is here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's pretty well up.
Pretty up.
That's
well,
really
up under
up.
this bridge. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really up. Yeah, and then there's some people out in it, but the problem is, man, you just don't know. You don't know if there's a floating log or
That's
anything.
true, all the
It picks up
debris.
all that debris because it gets up in the trees and stuff, and it pulls that debris out.
It doesn't look like there's any debris out there, but you never know.
Well, you don't, because it'll be floating like, a foot or two under the surface because there's a little bit of current there. It's pretty dangerous, really.
Oh yeah.
It's great fishing if you get out in it. You get in a certain area and you just put your trolling motor down and then you just go.
Well, yeah, but you could, tear your trolling motor up.
Not like you're not going that fast, man. Get off my butt, buddy. I'm getting out of your way. Man, these drivers these days. All right, here's Long Hunter State Park. How you doing?
Howdy. They're running a marathon out here.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, and wouldn't want you to
Oh, no, I won't hit nobody.
be distracted and accidentally run
We get the wrong kind of points for that.
I don't think you get points. Especially when there's stroke survivors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. How's the water out there,
it's all
Couchville?
flooded. That's
Is
why
it?
they're having to run out here, because it's all flooded around the lake.
Oh, wow. Okay. We'll go extra slow.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna walk down there just to check it out. We didn't even know this was going on, but it's some kind of I don't know, walk or marathon for people heart attack survivors or something?
No, stroke.
Stroke survivors. Hey, I'm in that category.
Yeah.
I had too many TIA, whatever it is.
Yeah, many strokes.
Anyway, we're gonna go check it out. It's got music playing, so I may have to not do that, film it, but I can add in stuff, but anyway, what do you think, Mom? See, hang on. May have to get it off of. What do you think?
Let's see.
Let's see what happens.
See what happens, yeah. They're having a party, so.
Oh, wow. The water's really up.
This is the finish line, maybe?
I think so. Where was that sign? Up there? Or?
Right there. See that yellow blown up thing right there?
Oh, right there. Stroke survivors. This is a little landlocked lake. And anyway, the water's way up. Stroke survivors recover water pulling all these worms up out of the ground. Huh, that's crazy. I've never seen anything like that ever. But they're like everywhere. You guys see that? Worms everywhere. Man, that... Alright, that's a sign. Because if you can get out in this and you can toss up, like, fish will be up here, man. They're going to be feeding like crazy. Frogs, worms. I mean, even I bet we get out here, we're going to see a bunch of minnows. If there's bass that's already spawned or blue, you know, anything that's spawned already, them big fish are going to be up here in this grass eating like crazy. That's my theory anyway. But yeah, you can see this is normally the walkway that goes, this here is normally the walkway that goes out to that little You know, that little gazebo. People go out there and fish. You know, this is a landlocked lake, so it's pretty neat. Anyway, that's cool. I'm glad we came down here and what was going on. Man, you can see the fish. There's something out there on that point working like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
If you just sit and watch, you'll see them. Top water, man, buzzbait. Oh, you kill them. Anyway. All right. Enough of that.